Hey guys, welcome back to Dee's Reality. I am Dee, aka Deborah. If you're new here, welcome, love bugs. If you're oldie and still rocking with your girl, I truly appreciate it, okay? So today's video is all about this giveaway, honey. We have finally reached 300 subscribers. Yes, finally. 307 to be exact and counting. I appreciate every last 307 of you guys, male, female, near and afar, okay? So, yeah, if you want to get into the deets of this giveaway, please stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into these gifts that I'll be giving away to one of my beautiful subscribers, okay? So, the first one will be this Xspring wireless charging blackhead remover. I absolutely love using this on my face. I actually need to use it now because I have a blackhead popping up on my face. But yeah, it comes with this cute wireless charging station. The cord is a USB, and I'm pretty sure we all have a USB cable around the house. These are the features. It helps purify pores, skin rejuvenating. It comes with the 5 different shaped face heads. It has lightning. It does have 2 different speeds. So yeah, that is part 1. Part 2 would be this Pure Daily Care facial steamer. Oh, I love this, love this, love this. It also is a humidifier, and it also has this little place on the inside where you can put a hot towel. So that helps also open up the pores. And it comes with this little Pure Daily Care kit. I don't use this too much because I'm not an esthetician, and yeah, I'm not certified in using these instruments, but it does come with these. So if you know what you're doing, go ahead. But if you don't know what you're doing or don't know how to use these, I don't recommend that you use them if you don't know what you're doing, okay? But yeah, it also comes with this. And to also set the mood of your facial, you know, self-care, I'm gonna include my new favorite candle. This is the Cranberry Pear Bellini from Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works. Oh, it smells so freaking good. So, here to win these self-care facial prizes, all you have to do is simply like this video, leave a comment down below, let me know some of your tips and tricks that you use to keep your face and your skin nice and glowing. And that is it, honey. Simple, simple, simple. Thumbs up. Drop me a comment below. And you guys, today is Wednesday, so the closing will be next Wednesday, and that is I believe the 6th. So now until the 6th, you guys have time to enter. It will close at midnight on Wednesday. So thumbs up this video and drop me a comment, and that's it. And good luck. And I thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and rocking with your girl. And